Hello everyone. Best place to have this Cobra bag on your forehead and also arm length. Why? Because when you fight, you're always gonna fight a tall opponent. When you do fight a short opponent, you'll be alright. Training to fight tall opponent helps to build on your shoulder muscles, so you're prepared to fight anyone tall. Two advantages of keeping a distance is it doesn't hit your face, also gets you used to the reflex of the bag. Once you get used to that, you can come close. You can come close as much as possible, but you would have to be very quick with your head movement. So mid feet or 2.5 feet from the base of the bag. Once you get used to that, you can come close. Hope this helps. Thumbs up. Take care. See you soon.